So my family likes to travel. We traveled a lot. It was very fun. So when we traveled, we used to camp, like most people do in a tent, but we had the great invention of a camper. But it actually wasn't that great because we had a bunch of problems with it. So I'm going to tell you those problems because why not? So my mom and her family would always go to the same campground that had these cool hiking trails and a swimming pool when they were kids. So now it's kind of a tradition that our entire family goes there once a year, and it's really fun. Okay, so on our way to this place, this is where the first problem happened. So when we were driving there with our camper, there's this thing called a canopy that can block out the sun, and it's retractable, and it just fell off randomly, onto the highway. We had no idea. This is the first problem that happened when we were going to Turkey Run. You're going to see a pattern with all these problems. We got there, we saw that it was not there. Nobody was hurt. There's no damage to the camper, just some upset dad. So this next problem is also on our way to Turkey Run, and it's slightly more recent. So we were driving and we had to stop for gas at this small town. When we were finished with the gas, we tried to turn the car on, and it wasn't working because it was overheated. We had to get a tow truck for our car, but we had no idea what to do with our camper.
3 hours later.
We eventually got the camper and the car towed to this really small car dealership. After some work was done to the car, we were on the road again, and we were only about an hour from our destination, and everybody was happy.